Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nugget, we share with you how to make zucchini noodles from the huge zucchinis. Here's a clip from the show. All right, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. I know this is super exciting. So when a zucchini gets out of hand, what I do with this is make zucchini noodles out of it. And I think this is called a julienne peeler, but I'm not so sure if that's the name. But you just run this down, push pretty hard, run this down the side of the zucchini, like that. And these beautiful shreds. And then what I do with the shreds is I take them and I saute them in garlic butter, or you can saute them with avocado oil. But definitely throw the garlic in there because it makes it quite amazing. And you can peel this all the way down to the seed cavity. So you can just go round and round and round this whole zucchini. And I'm pushing pretty hard to get these nice slices, but they look just like noodles. And they are so tasty. We use them with marinara sauce. You use it however you want. But you can go all the way through all this flesh. And when you cook them, you want your pan and your oil pretty hot. And you want to saute them pretty fast. They're kind of just a flash in the pan, kind of like your greens are. And then pull them out, and you can do batch after batch if you got a lot. So as you can see, the seeds are starting to peek out now. And then the inside, here where the seeds are at, I'll go ahead and feed that to the chickens. But I get quite a bit of food just from this outside. So just like that, got a nice plate full of spaghetti, and you go all the way around the whole thing, and then you can make a wonderful, wonderful dish. It also works good if you want to make some stir fry or something like that. Anyone who use noodles, you can use these. So anyhow, there is your secret to what to do with the ginormous zucchinis. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 17. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.